Dear students, in lesson 11 we would study about hydrogen bonding, which is one of the most important force of attraction in the universe. It is not only present in the molecules, but within the molecules it is also present. It is present in plants, in DNA structure as well. What is hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen bonding is a special type of dipole-dipole attraction between molecules. It results from the attractive force between a hydrogen atom that is covalently bonded to a very electronegative atom such as nitrogen, oxygen or fluorine atom and some other very electronegative atoms. Hydrogen bonds are generally stronger than ordinary dipole-dipole and dispersion forces but weaker than the true covalent and ionic bonds. And the life without hydrogen bonding is not possible. Without hydrogen bonding, Earth would have no water cycle, no ocean, no floating ice, no life as we know it. This figure is showing hydrogen bonding present in water molecule. As you can see that the red dots are showing hydrogen atoms while the blue are showing oxygen atoms. So the force of attraction that is present between positively charged hydrogen and negatively charged oxygen atom in the dotted line is known as hydrogen bonding. Why does a hydrogen bond occurs? Since the hydrogen donor is strongly electronegative, it pulls the covalently bonded electron pair closer to its nucleus and away from the hydrogen atom. So, the hydrogen atom is then left with a partial positive charge, creating a dipole-dipole attraction between the hydrogen atom bonded to the donor and the lone electron pair on the acceptor. This results in a hydrogen bond. Now there are two main types of hydrogen bonds that can occur within a molecule or between two molecules, that are intramolecular hydrogen bonds and intermolecular hydrogen bonds. First, we would look into the intramolecular hydrogen bonds. Intramolecular hydrogen bonds are those which occur within one single molecule. यानी कि एक ही मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर प्रेजेंट जो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग की टाइप है दैट इज नोन एज इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. This occurs when two functional groups of a molecule can form hydrogen bonds with each other. जैसे आपके पास ये given example है इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल की. इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल में हमें उसका फॉर्मूला पता है C2H4OH whole twice. It means two hydroxyl groups are present. तो आप ये देखें कि ये जो एक हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप है और ये दूसरा जो हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप है OH ग्रुप, इस हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप के ऑक्सीजन और इस हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप के हाइड्रोजन के दरमियान में ये फॉर्म होने वाला जो बॉन्ड है दिस इज नोन एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, क्योंकि यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन जो है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम है और हाइड्रोजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो यहाँ से जो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन डेवलप होगी दिस इज नोन एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. In order for this to happen, both a hydrogen donor and acceptor must be present within one molecule and they must be within close proximity of each other in the molecule. यानी कि वो इतने नियर बाय होने चाहिए, इतनी विसिनिटी में होने चाहिए कि एक दूसरे की तरफ वो अट्रैक्ट हो सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग अकर्स इन इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल बिटवीन इट्स टू हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप्स ड्यू टू मॉलिक्यूलर ज्योमेट्री. Now, what is intermolecular hydrogen bonds? Intermolecular hydrogen bonds occur between separate molecules in a substance. दो separate molecules के दरमियान जो present होगा बॉन्ड दैट इज इंटरमोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. जैसे कि आप एग्जांपल देखें अमोनिया की, तो ये एक अमोनिया का मॉलिक्यूल है NH3 और ये आपके पास दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल. ये जो नाइट्रोजन है ये इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम है और ये हाइड्रोजन जो है पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है. इनके दरमियान में ये जो फोर्स है दैट इज नोन एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. सिमिलरली अगर अमोनिया और वाटर का स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए तो अमोनिया के हाइड्रोजन और वाटर के इस ऑक्सीजन के दरमियान ये जो डॉटेड लाइन में आपको बॉन्ड नजर आ रहा है दैट इज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. दे कैन अकर बिटवीन एनी नंबर ऑफ लाइक और अनलाइक मॉलिक्यूल्स as long as hydrogen donors and acceptors are present and in position in which they can interact. For example, intermolecular hydrogen bonds can occur between ammonia molecules alone. दो अगर डिफरेंट आपके पास अमोनिया के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं तो उनके दरमियान हो सकती है. बिटवीन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स अलोन, अगर आप वाटर का स्ट्रक्चर देखें ओवरऑल तो उसमें भी हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग प्रेजेंट है, और बिटवीन अमोनिया एंड वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स. एग्जाम्पल, नाउ वी वुड study about hydrogen bonding in water. In water, there exists a hydrogen bond between the electronegative oxygen of one water molecule and the partial positively charged hydrogen atom of another water molecule. These are the most prominent intermolecular forces acting in water. You can see in figure that water molecule, this is one water molecule and this is another water molecule. So the forces of attraction that are present between hydrogen and oxygen of other molecule is known as hydrogen bonds. Now, in daily life, hydrogen bonding is present in DNA. As you can see that we know in DNA we have adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. So the bases adenine and thymine are held together by two hydrogen bonds, and the bases guanine and cytosine are bonded together by three hydrogen bonds. It is clearly visible in the figure that this is adenine and this is thymine. You can see a dotted line between them. There are two hydrogen bonds present between adenine and thymine, and then there is cytosine and guanine, and three hydrogen bonds are present between cytosine and guanine. So the different number of hydrogen bonds ensure that the bases link together correctly. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट्स का जो जाइलम वाटर की मूवमेंट का स्ट्रक्चर है. द कोहियन एडहियन थ्योरी ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट इन वेस्कुलर प्लांट्स यूजेस हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग to explain many key components of water movement through the plant's xylem and other vessels. Within a vessel, water molecules hydrogen bond not only to each other but also to the cellulose chain which comprises the wall of plant cells. This creates a sort of capillary tube which allows for capillary action to occur since the vessel is relatively small. So this mechanism is allowing the plants to pull water up into their roots. Furthermore, hydrogen bonding can create a long chain of water molecules which can overcome the force of gravity and travel up to the high altitude of leaves. This can be shown in the figure. आप देखें कि डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर मूवमेंट सॉइल से रूट्स में वाटर एंटर होता है और फिर रूट्स से जाइलम के थ्रू वो एरियल पार्ट्स तक पहुंच जाता है. इसमें स्पेशल वाटर कंडक्टिंग सेल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं और इन वाटर कंडक्टिंग सेल्स में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में एडहियन और कोहियन करते हैं. कोहियन वो फिनोमेना है जिसमें दो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में ज्वाइन हुए थ्रू हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, और एडहियन वो फार्मूला है जिससे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स सेलुलोज चेन के साथ अटैच हैं ताकि वो ऊपर इजीली ट्रेवल कर सके. Hydrogen bonding is also present in proteins. Hydrogen bonding is present abundantly in the secondary structure of proteins and also sparingly in tertiary conformation. The secondary structure of a protein involves the interaction, mainly hydrogen bonds, between the neighboring polypeptide backbones which contain nitrogen-hydrogen bonded pairs and oxygen atoms. Since both the nitrogen and oxygen are strongly electronegative, the hydrogen atoms bonded to nitrogen in one polypeptide backbone can hydrogen bond to the oxygen atoms in another chain and vice versa. इस तरह एक long chain बन जाती है. Though they are relatively weak, these bonds offer great stability to secondary protein structure because they repeat a great number of times. और यही hydrogen bonding जो है वो protein को DNA को stability provide कर रही होती है. So overall, what is the importance of hydrogen bonds? It is a source of unique properties of water. Structure and function of proteins के लिए necessary है. It is necessary for the structure and function of DNA, for the structure and function of polysaccharides, for the binding of substrate to particular enzymes, and binding of hormones to the receptors. Hope so you have cleared your concept of hydrogen bonding. Thank you.